Refilling the brake liquid on your scooter is a task that most riders will encounter at some point. Today at Voro Motors, we'll be teaching you how to refill the brake liquid on your scooter. We will be using the hydraulic brake refill kit from Voro Motors. Follow the link in the description to get your own kit. The first step in refilling the brakes is to remove the screw on the brake lever. We first position the lever so that the screw is facing the ceiling. This prevents excess liquid from coming out. We recommend keeping a paper towel beneath the lever and wearing gloves for any accidental spills. The hydraulic oil is slightly corrosive, so make sure to clean up after any spills. With the provided tool, we remove the screw. After making sure this metal washer is still present, screw in the hose attachment. Once screwed in, you should be able to slide the syringe onto the hose. Once secured, you can pour the hydraulic oil into the syringe and insert the plunger to start pushing the fluid into the lever. At this point, you will start pumping the brake lever continuously. Don't be alarmed when you notice air bubbles starting to rise up. These air bubbles are the culprit for your stiff brakes, so you want them all out. Once you get to a point where pressing reveals no new bubbles, you are good. When unscrewing the syringe and hose attachment, pull up on the plunger to create a vacuum in the chamber. This reduces unnecessary spillage. Feel free to keep any leftover oil, this can be used later. With the provided tool, thread the original screw back in, ensuring the plastic and metal washers are present. Once secured, wipe down all affected surfaces. Once wiped down, it's time to test out your newly oiled brake lever and take your scooter for a spin. For another angle on this same process, make sure to check out Ginger on Wheels' amazing video linked above. Thanks for watching.